Champion 3-inch chipper shredder, and we're gonna try it out for the first time here. We just got it set up and it was super simple. You just insert the bolts there, there, there. We did it with 2 babies, so you can do it all by yourself. You can either insert like sticks into here or like debris and brush up here, and then it'll all shoot out into this handy dandy bag that you can then unzip. My goal is to mulch around our playhouse right now, so we'll see how much I get accomplished. This is our first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, I got my eye protection. We've got the ear protection. We've got the glove protection. Hand protection. We're ready to go. Keep your arms out of the wood chipper. Insane. Okay, I'm very interested to see what type of mulch we're working with here.
Yeah, I feel like with the sticks it's not going to be...
Okay, here's the type of mulch we're getting with the sticks. Now I know I put a lot of green stuff in there, which probably isn't ideal, but I was interested to see. These are, I wonder if like,
I think those are the sticks.
Putting it in like the front part. Yeah, so maybe sticking it in through here is gonna give you finer stuff while sticking it through the top. That was so intense. I cannot. Okay, we went and collected some solid sticks. I'm gonna see if putting them through the front hole, what kind of, like if it makes wood chips rather than putting it in the top. Let's see. All right, let's see what that's like. All right, let's see. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That is something beautiful there. That's exactly what we're looking for. I'm impressed. Are you impressed, Roan? This is obviously gonna take me some time to do all my big dreams and plans because of these things. Things take a lot more time. But I'm super duper ooper impressed with this wood chipper. Thank you so much, Champion, for sending it to me. It's gonna get a lot of use around here. I'm gonna give you guys a quick garden tour. It is the beginning of August now, I guess middle of August almost, and I'm gonna show you what's up. The front here is looking a little sad, but our dahlias are still going strong. We've got the arch. We've got some more dahlias over here. Some flowers have come and gone. Weeds have kind of just overtaken the garden. As usual, we've got these slugs coming back this year, and we've gotten some huge zucchinis here, like ginormous. Got some more zucchinis coming. We've pulled some carrots. They're not looking great, or they're not done yet. We've got our beautiful basil. Picked lots of tomatoes. Got lots of bell peppers. Jalapeno. Whoa, look at all these peppers. Holy moly, I never saw those. I just picked a ton of jalapenos, and we've got, oh, this pepper plant is thriving. She's all the way up here. And so, you know, things are doing decent. I just picked all the banana peppers, but we've got more coming on here. Lots more, actually. Tons of cucumbers. I've kind of given up on cucumbers. We don't need any more pickles. We picked the potatoes yesterday, and then we've been slowly getting strawberries coming on here, but Roan usually grabs them before you ever see them. Our lavender, rosemary. So it's looking good. My plan is to mulch the pathways so that we don't have to weed eat them. Yeah, let's go. I also wanted to show you guys this perennial garden I planted this year real quick, because I never got out the video where we did all this, but maybe one day I will, but not today. Today, I'll show you what it looks like now. So these are all plants that deter bugs. We have lemongrass, this tiny lavender here that's not doing great, chamomile, this is all citronella, yarrow, this is a foxglove, just a pretty flower. Maybe, there's foxglove and one other kind, I don't remember which is which. Lemongrass, citronella, lavender, lemongrass. And the lemongrass is looking great. She's kind of cute, you know? I'll try to get that video out at some point in time, but these are the days, my friends. Here's my little cut flower garden. Stomp, stomp, hey. I'm so thirsty, clap. I'm so thirsty. Nothing's gonna quench my thirst today. Tree down on the driveway. Tree down on the driveway. Gonna get whiplash. What? What do you smell? Cat food? Then move. Louder. Louder. Talking to you. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think, what you want to see, and we'll see you next time.